tuna, and we're here to make a really quick lunch. I call the recipe chick of the pea. Instead of chick of the sea like the tuna, this is my substitute for it. So what we did earlier was we took a can of garbanzo beans. You can also use fresh garbanzo beans and just boil them for a few hours until they get soft enough. We drained it, we rinsed it, and we put it in this bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we're really simply going to add just a few ingredients to make this happen. So we have veganese. This one says soy free, but there's also some that contain soy. So just, you know, pick which one you like. I love veganese, I have to admit. Okay, see, so you can add, the beautiful thing about making your own food is you can add as little or as much of what you want. I found this quick little thing. It's called pickle meat relish, which means it's got pickle and mustard in it together. Adding it a dollop into here. Again, adding as much or as little as you like. There you go. Add some pepper. Add some sal. Forgot to get my masher. So hold on. I gotta go get my masher. And we're back. Masher in hand. So then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and mash a lot. We're just gonna be like, get it and get it. And you can do your squats like when you do this, you know? Like get your squats in as you're cooking. Sing your favorite like Nicki Minaj song or your favorite Selena song or, you know, Riri. You know how I like to think good thoughts when I'm cooking, thinking about the people that are gonna eat this and how much I love them. And maybe it's just making it for yourself, so you think about how much you love yourself. So, you don't wanna mash it too much, right? Because you want it to still have some of that consistency that it would be if you opened a can of tuna. But as you're seeing, as you're mashing it, it's opening up, so it's taking off some of the veganese and the relish and the mustard and all that stuff. So, okay, so there we go. I think that's a pretty good consistency. We're gonna take what we like to call a bolillo, our bread. Rebel, keep the knife away from you, Rebel. What are you doing, Rebel? I know. I hope my mom's not watching. She'd be upset. Okay, so if you want one really big sandwich, right, you could just put it, slather it on here. On top. If you're like making it for children or someone, you can always, if it's soft enough, you can take this and make like a smaller sandwich. So go ahead and make one big sandwich. So you can also toast your bread if you like, but again, this is all about speed. We don't have that much time. We got a short lunch break, or we're trying to make a quick snack. Get it in there, pack it in. Then I just kind of threw some stuff that I had together, which was just some greens. I basically just like to put a salad on top of my sandwiches. And then you can put some tomato, slice them up, put them here, add some tahini. I'm gonna go ahead and take this because it's easy. And I'm just really using this to kind of help keep the stuff, like the lettuces and the kelp, inside my sandwich. Push that down. Ready? Oh no. Oh wait, am I lipstick? Dang it! Is it still there? I really love this, all these flavors putting together. If you're like, oh, but Rebel, I don't eat gluten. Okay, that's cool, don't eat it. Gluten, I understand that. You can use gluten-free bread, you can get a piece of kale or some sort of lettuce, cabbage, put it in there and make your sandwich that way. Super good. Thank you for tuning in. This is Rebel, my boss, signing out saying, come see me again soon and eat your veggies.